Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to share today how I made little gift packages. Here, this one here, and this one. Now this one is too many loops at the bottom, but you know, just have to do. I'll show you how many loops to do instead. So I use these ceramic beads. I don't know what size they are, but it doesn't really matter the size because you can adjust it to the size of the little cube. So I'm using 20 gauge wire, about 7 inches of wire. If you think you need more, just in case, just cut yourself a little more. Start with the bottom of the gift. So I did my hands are really dry. I did a knot at the bottom, so it'd be a little flat. So what I'm going to do is get my round nose pliers all the way at the end and create a circle. I'm going to go at it twice to where I see 2 lines, actually 3 times, but I'll show you in a second what I mean. So I wanted to see, I don't know if you can see that, just 2 lines right there, just two circles or whatever. And then from here, hope I'm showing this right, I'm going to actually bend this wire here and the knot is actually going to go through the other side. So I'm going to put this way, and then I'm just going to pull on it. And I just created a knot. I have to adjust it a little bit. So usually you start like small and then end up going bigger, but I didn't really want to do that because I don't want this to be too bulky at the bottom. So that's why I make it so the circle's so big. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here and kind of just adjust it, and then I'm going to make loops to make the gifts. So I'm gonna make one loop. There. I'm only gonna do two of these instead of 3. Then I'm gonna go around it and make another one. Okay, so I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller this time. I'm gonna go this way. So now I've just made like the little bow that goes on top of the gift. It almost even looks like a heart. You can do that too. And I'm gonna go around it. And just like wire wrap it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, there it is. So let me cut this excess off. I'm just gonna hide that little piece there. So that's how I made a little gift package. If you end up doing it, you know, let me know so I can go check it out. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.